In this video, the dog will be educating us on how to do it. This is super cool, guys. Na 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 na. Hey guys, so today in this video, you'll be learning how to get episode Choose Your Story new hack, iOS and Android. No time to waste. So as you can see, the brokenness is real, the button is real, and the mod menu is activated. Let's turn on unlimited gems and unlimited passes. Let's see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, guys, there it is. So let's see if it goes up. So I'm expecting a rise. I'm really hopeful, and I feel like a lot of people should be rooting for me. So let's see if it goes up, and then we're gonna make a video. And bang, there we go, guys. So I'm gonna show you how to get this episode mod for your phone. So yeah, no more crying about it. Let's just get down and dirty. So first thing we're gonna do is go to matrixmods.com. On this site is a number of modded games and things of that nature. So look for the episode, and you can see it is a interactive storytelling game. So we're gonna press download, and this will install the modded version, which includes unlimited gems and unlimited passes. Now, I will tell you there is a verification. So this is the last step. You have to download 2 different apps from the App Store, which are all 100% free, and that will basically make sure that you are verified. So as you can see, we got all the apps. Don't really give a shit about them, but make sure you do them. 2 of them. For instance, Mode Casino. It says search something up at the App Store. Travel Town, reach level 9. Double Load Casino, another one where I gotta search something up. So make sure you do 2 of them, guys. Press help if you're lost, and then there's a video to watch if you feel lost. But yeah, this actually works, guys. So if you feel the desire for free gems and passes on episode, definitely try us out. It's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. You can see right here, unlimited gems and passes. How can you go wrong? So yeah, this is so crazy, bro. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, brothers. This is so awesome, guys. Free gems, free passes. This is so cool. So peace out, brothers.